Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. Today I'll show you how to change the scroll direction on your Mac. By default on macOS, when you scroll down, the content moves up. This is called the natural scroll direction. Some of you might find it a bit confusing, especially if you used Windows before. First, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of the screen. Choose System Settings. Next, in the left sidebar, scroll down and select Mouse if you're using a mouse. Under Scroll Direction, Natural, just turn off that switch. This option also applies to the trackpad. Now when you scroll down, the content will also move down, just like on Windows. If you ever want to switch back, simply turn that option on again. However, I recommend keeping the default natural scroll setting on macOS. This scrolling behavior works like when you swipe on your phone screen. When you push upward, the content moves upward. Another example is placing a sheet of paper on a table. You touch the paper with your finger. If you want the paper to move upward, you have to push your finger upward. The content on your Mac screen behaves the same way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming tips here on Easy Tech Steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.